night stalker, fire walker.
Where you at? Where you at?
I be the night stalker, fire walker, homicide choker. I be the night stalker, fire walker.
I commence motion, first law of the universe. Slow like the tortoise, but I succeed first. Like cold prison steel, my flows get hard and stainless, painless. Unless I got my foot up in your anus. Brown eye, Guetto, Jedi, black knight, protected by the force, so I grip the mic tight. Never drunk or blunted when I'm hunted this society. Victims and predators try to find me.
I be the night stalker, fire walker, homicide choker. I be the night stalker, fire walker. I be the night stalker, fire walker, homicide choker. I be the night stalker, fire walker.
My lungs expand cause I'm winded. Voice gets blended on the track like the ODB. I bring it on back to the essence. When nothing up my sleeve, I manifest all these like melanin 2Gs. Coming deep with degrees. Now let me explain this. Hot like a fever, thermometer, your anus. I come dangerous like the mood walker, night stalker. Umbrella, I flow like rainwater in the thunderstorm. I swarm like bees, be the killer. Thriller in Manila, stomping MCs out like Godzilla. From here to Botswana, I flow like molten lava. Burn fast, let's flow the new certified pro. Poetical, intellectual, ghetto jewel dropper. My middle name's Express cause I'm the non-stopper. If you go against the grain like Niagara, you fall off another dead spy in the body bag. Hold on.
I be the night stalker, fire walker, homicide choker. I be the night stalker, fire walker. I be the night stalker, fire walker, homicide choker. I be the night stalker, fire walker.
I came to believe that power's greater than me, restores me to sanity and sets me free. No more misconceptions, success in all directions. Keep my focus, got clear perceptions with no illusions. Succession of meaningful movements and gestures, improvements. Authentic to the core, I roar. Pressure bust pipes, but it also makes diamonds.